Very good morning, sir.
A very good morning, sir, from Triple IT and our family. So we are very pleased to welcome you, sir.
My very good morning to Honorable Director Dr. Pradeep Sinha Saab. Sir, very good morning.
Good morning, sir, and thanks for supporting us.
It's our pleasure to be connected with you, sir. We are not supporting, rather you are supporting to us.
Okay, that's great. Mutual support is very much important for the progress.
Very true, sir. Very true, sir. Thank you so much, sir, and nice to see you, sir, here.
No, same here. I was looking forward to actually interacting with you.
So nice of you, sir.
I thought maybe today is the right time when we will actually see each other, talk to each other. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not only this, many more in future we will actually have to do together.
Yeah, very true, sir. Very true. That's what I wanted to talk, in fact, today. So we'll have this connectivity and long-lasting academic relation with Triple IT and AICTE.
Correct. So we are very proud and thankful and happy that we are getting the requisite attention and support. And on behalf of the Triple IT family, I promise you that we will do the best. Okay. We have been actually doing this type of questions. For the last few years, ever since we started, we are only 5 years old. Yeah, we are only 5 years old, and we have a brilliant set of academic members. We are very enthusiastic.
No, I feel proud and honored to be connected with Triple IT Raipur, and I'm having a very strong relation with Raipur, sir.
Okay, that's good. So आप आइए कभी.
My basic services, are at Central University Bilaspur.
Okay, good. So next time when you visit this region, please do drop it.
It will be my pleasure, sir. It will be my pleasure.
Sure. अभी तो actually movements are restricted because of the pandemic.
True.
So, sir, can we start with the formal?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. So, a very warm good morning to respected dignitaries, guests, faculty members, students, and all the members of the Triple IT and our family. On behalf of Triple IT and our fraternity, I, Dr. Sri Vishal Tripathi, faculty in EC department as well as FTP coordinator, would like to extend the word of welcome to you all in AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy online FTP on system engineering on topic recent trends and advances in IoT, organized by Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, International Institute of Information Technology, Naya Raipur here. Moving forward, before inviting our Dr. P.K. Sinha sir, Vice Chancellor and Director, DSPM IIIT-NR, for his welcome address, I would like to enlighten you all with his brief bio profile. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sinha sir, an educationist, researcher, scientist, inventor, and internationally acclaimed author of computer textbook. His technical contribution includes national projects, HPC system and facilities, healthcare products and solutions, international patents, a number of technical papers, and 6 books in the area of computer science and engineering. Books authored by him are published and marketed by several national and international publishers. On public demand, books authored by him have been translated in local languages like Japanese and Hindi. Dr. Sinha is Fellow of IEEE, Fellow of Computer Society of India, and ACM Distinguished Engineer. He is also the recipient of several other awards and recognitions, including the 2011 Vaishvik Research Award and 2013 Intel Pathfinder Award. With this, sir, please.
A very good morning to all the participants, all the speakers, and of course the chief guest, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, who is the director of the AICTE Training and Learning Academy, the Atal Academy. On behalf of this institute, the International Institute of Information Technology, Mayor Raipur. I welcome you all to this 5 days FDP program on system engineering, recent trends and advances in IoT. I'm really actually thrilled that our faculty member and coordinator for this FDP, Dr. Sri Vishal, actually has brought in several experts from various premier academic institutions of the country. I welcome them all. Dr. Sandeep Yadav from IIT Jodhpur, Dr. Sudhakar Pandey from NIT Raipur, Professor O.P. Vyas from IIIT Allahabad, Dr. Akhilesh Mohan from IIT Kharagpur, Dr. Somuk Bhattacharya from IIT BHU, and we also have, as a mandatory requirement, a yoga session which will be actually taken care of by Mr. Nitin Srivastava. Our own faculty members actually have also been working hard for this FDP to be actually a successful, yet another successful faculty development program conducted by the institute. And I'm very happy to announce that Dr. Manoj Majumdar, Dr. Munindra Ojha, Dr. Anurag Singh, Dr. Punni Paltani, and other faculty and staff members are behind this FDP. Now, let me actually tell you that IIIT is only 5 years old, and we started conducting these FDP programs from our very early stage. That is, I think from the second year itself, we started getting into conducting the FDP program because we morally feel it is one of our responsibilities to not only actually educate the students who are part of this academic institution, but also to share and in the process learn from all other experts in the country and abroad. So one of the forte of IIIT NEA Raipur has been that we are very active in conducting FDPs, workshops, seminars, and many other technical events, which makes this institute actually at the edge of the technology. Now, let me tell you that how did we actually decide to get into this today's FDP program. Basically, we always have been looking towards the state of art cutting edge technology areas to conduct our technical events. And few years ago, we found that there were a lot of technical events like this on IoT, Internet of Things, because few years ago IoT was evolving and Internet was actually getting converted into Internet of Things. So when this time actually we started looking into what should be futuristic and as per the latest technology, what should we do? So we decided that we should not actually look into IoT. We should look into what are the recent trends and advancements in IoT. Because IoT has been now being actually talked about for several years now. So we started looking into recent advancements. And I'm very happy that we are now looking into application of IoT with latest technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning. These are the buzzwords and these are the futuristic trends now. Same way 5G, okay, the fifth generation mobile computing, okay, is getting actually mainstream now. And several other technologies like MIMO technology and others are driving these technologies. So we have been actually, our faculty members have been looking into how there has to be a good marriage between IoT and these futuristic technologies, AI, ML, 5G, MIMO, and many other such futuristic technology we are going to become, which are going to become the norm for tomorrow. And it's very important that the faculty members across the nation are abreast with these technologies to actually educate our students in the right direction. And that's how we actually conceived this faculty development program. As you all are aware, it's a 5-day highly enriching program with a lot of sessions conducted by national experts from various IITs, NITs, triple ITs, okay, and so on. And I'm very happy to actually yesterday Dr. Sri Vishal briefed me that the response has been really overwhelming. And this is actually true. I will like to update Dr. Ravindra Soni that, sir, whatever program we conduct, we have always seen very overwhelming response for the programs that we conduct. And this program has equally a good, rather brilliant response. And I also welcome all the participants who have responded and have come on board to participate in this technical event of Triple IT near Raipur. Now, I was just actually mentioning that we do conduct such events on a very regular basis. For example, tomorrow we are also actually starting another workshop, which is an international workshop on applied mathematics. Okay, it's a Center for Applied Mathematics we have, and I will actually, I'm very proud to mention that the participants for that workshop has exceeded 100, and the participants from not only India, from abroad also are there. So with this brief background about our institute, about this workshop, about the speakers, about the participants, I once again welcome you all for blessing Triple IT near Raipur by participating and supporting this technical event. And I wish, like many other FDPs and technical event, I wish this event also to be a grand success with all your support. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for sharing your views and motivating the audience here. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we have amongst us a distinguished personality, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, sir, Director AICT Training and Learning at Atal Academy. To apprise you, sir, more than 75 participants across the countries has registered for this program here. And the few of them were from the premium institutes here, like IITs, NITs, triple ITs, universities. So all over the country with all kinds of universities or institutes here, we got the response here for the participant. So before I request Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, sir, to address the gathering, let me apprise you all with his bio profile. Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, sir, did his PhD from IIPS DAVV Indore in the area of Human Resource Management, Personality Administration, and MBA in Human Resource Management. Moreover, he did post-graduation in International Business Management, MPhil in Physics, MSc in Physics with a specialization in Telecommunication. In addition to that, he was awarded by the Vice President of India for ERP Logo Contest of IGNOU. He has many years experience in the field of IT and e-governance with extensive hands-on experience on IT application for e-governance. At present, sir is working as a director of AICT Training and Learning at Atal Academy Directors at AICT headquarters, New Delhi, and also handling AICT activities of Northwest Region, Chandigarh, as regional officers. Atal Academy is a nodal agency of AICT to promote the research and training activities across all the institutes, universities, and colleges in India here. So with this, sir, I request to please take over.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sri Vishal Tripathi ji. Indeed, I feel very proud and honored as you invited me on this mega inaugural program. Honorable Director Pradeep Kumar Sinha ji, the Vice Chancellor and Director of Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee International Institute of Information Technology, NIA Raipur. Learned Deans of IIIT Raipur, HOD, faculty, and staff of IIIT Raipur. Coordinator Dr. Sri Vishal Tripathi ji. Resource persons, various resource persons joining this FDP from across the country from renowned institutions. Participants, online viewers joining this inaugural session. Inaugural session of AICT Training and Learning Academy 5 days FDP on system engineering commencing from today. On behalf of AICT Training and Learning Academy, I welcome you all and very good morning to all of you. As mentioned by Dr. Sinha, it's a 5 years old IIT, triple IT. 5 years has already gone. And I'm very happy that Professor Sinha has a vast experience, very learned academician, and sir worked in CDAC with supercomputer. As we know that CDAC is pioneer in supercomputing. So looking into his profile, looking into expertise, and looking into the vision of Honorable the Vice Chancellor and the Director of IIIT Raipur, since he is here in very early age of early establishment of IIIT Raipur, and I'm sure that the IIIT Raipur will achieve its height, will achieve its vision and mission, and there is a lot of things to do, as already mentioned by Honorable Director. I'm thankful to Dr. Sinha for extending an invitation to me on this auspicious occasion of inaugural function of Atal Academy on system engineering. In fact, the role of director is very important. And yesterday I was going through, sir, your profile. I became very happy that I'll be connecting you and I'll be interacting with you. As I mentioned before the program starts, that I'm from that area only. My basic services are in Central University, Bilaspur itself. I'm on capital, Bilaspur. I have been often visiting Raipur due to pandemic, not able to visit. In fact, that's the reason. In fact, when I got a call from Dr. Sri Vishal Tripathi ji, in fact, immediately I responded and I thought ki, I will be there. So Raipur is blessed with many other things, though it's a little, I can say, still it is to be developed. In fact, Raipur is having IIIT, having NIT, having IIM, AIMS, and many other renowned organizations in the vicinity of the Raipur and in Raipur itself. I know that the NIA Raipur has been developed like anything. When we move towards airport or nearby the IIIT Raipur, I think it gives a wonderful, pleasing feeling to us. But if we go to the old Raipur, still it needs a lot of development there, and therefore the role of IIIT Raipur becomes very important, especially in this juncture. Now we are feeling that we are missing the bus of AI, in fact, and therefore we must rope in all resources of the country, including the IIIT Raipur. And as mentioned by Honorable Director, that IIIT Raipur is already working with these technologies like IoT, ML, DL, 5G. We are also working with these technologies like blockchain, quantum computing, AR, VR, and some other technologies we identified. Sir, AICT has gone for a perspective plan. And with the perspective plan, we identified the 9 thrust areas, which are the technologies of the future. And on those 9 thrust areas, the AICT took a vision that will be trained to the faculty of the country, of the technical institution, through the institution like IIIT Raipur and other institutions, IIT, NIT, technical universities, and wherever, even CDAC. CDAC is also with us. They join hand with us. CDAC Mohali, CDAC Pune. You have been in Pune, sir. CDAC Pune, CDAC Kolkata, and many, almost all branches of all establishment of CDAC has joined hand with AICT, and now we are working together. Sir, as mentioned in the starting, that we'll be collaborating definitely, and whatever can be done to promote for research, innovation, and for training faculty students. We are also allowing PG students and research scholar on these training programs. So if they are trained, large number of talent pool is required to be trained in the country, in fact. And now NEP has come up with the help of NEP Vision. I hope this AICT role will also be a little different. It will be modified, you can say a little enhanced also. Exactly, I cannot say at this point of time, I should not say also, but in coming time, we'll be knowing that we all will be playing a major role in development of the country. And therefore, I request that let us join hand and let's have a better role, much role in development of the technology in the country, in Chhattisgarh. Another IIIT, I know that IIIT Raipur, and especially Honorable Director of IIIT Raipur, is an asset for the institution, the state of Chhattisgarh, and the country. Highly delighted to meet you, sir, and I'm obliged and indebted for this invitation. So, give me 2 minutes. I'd like to share one PPT with you, just to give a brief that what AICT Training and Learning Academy is doing in the country. So, in future, we can collaborate with you, sir. I have been made the presenter, so I hope I'll be able to share that PPT. So as you told that IIIT Raipur is a 5-year-old. Our initiative is just 2-year-old. We started, AICT is an old organization, but AICT Training and Learning Academy, after we worked out for the perspective plan, what kind of courses are going to, what kind of courses are required for the country, we worked out, and finally we launched this AICT Training and Learning Academy within AICT. So with that initiative, we call it as ATAL, that is AICT Training and Learning Academy. So we named it as ATAL Academy, and with that academy, we took this mission to train faculty, around 6 lakh faculty of the country, which we are regulating, in fact, with all these emerging areas or these technologies, and we have been putting a lot of efforts and money too. So this year itself, that is in 2021, initially we planned 500 face-to-face FDP, but after pandemic, it was very difficult to conduct online FDP. So we started offline FDP. It was not possible. We started online FDP, and we planned 562 online FDP. Because of the pandemic, we are confined in our either hometown or not hometown, maybe wherever the institution are there, wherever we are in that town, and we are confined with the office and with our home. And now we have plenty of time. That is one issue. When there was offline events, we had to travel one day, we had to come back again, and for half an hour or 1 hour meetings, we had to travel a lot. And you say we have to invest a lot of time for that. Now what is happening? In morning, we are connected with IIIT Raipur, and throughout the day, we may be connected with any part of the country, any part of the world. So that much of plenty of time is there. We also did that. We planned that 562 FDP, targeting 1 lakh participants in those FDP, including IIIT Raipur. So I'm highly thankful to IIIT Raipur and the director and the coordinator. I also congratulate for that, for conducting this FDP. And since this FDP is being conducted in IIIT Raipur, it is not being conducted in AICT, or not is it being conducted by AICT Training and Learning Academy. It is being conducted by IIIT Raipur, and IIIT Raipur is not only resourcing its, not only using its resources, its faculty member, rather that coordinator is using or inviting the resource person across the country, across the globe, and that is a benefit. Ultimately, who will be benefited? It's a faculty, those who are going to attend. It's a very valuable program, and I know that this 5 days FDP is going to change at least the thought process. They may not be trained fully in 5 days, but at least their thought process will change. They are grown up, they are faculty, they are research scholar, they are PG student, and therefore after attending 5 days program, this will be very fruitful. Later on, they can study their own and they can excel in that their area. So far, sir, we have completed 282 online FDP. We are at midway now. By November, all FDP will be conducted. As I told that we targeted 1 lakh participants. 42,300 participants has already attended that. So in terms of number of faculty, number of programs, almost we are at the halfway. Sir, one more thing we are doing after conduction of FDP, all these FDPs are being recorded. And I'm sure that Dr. Tripathi, Dr. Sri Vishal Tripathi will also record it, because all those softwares which we are using, whether it is a WebEx, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet, or any other software which we are using, they have the recording facility. So we are recording all those FDPs. 562 online FDP which we have planned, we are going to record. And after checking their quality, the quality sessions we are uploading in our website. So in website, almost 120 FDP recording, all recorded sessions have been uploaded. And that is a very, very valuable resource which we are now collecting and uploading in our websites. And every day, more than 500 people are watching those videos. Means one FDP, or you can say more than one FDP is going on with the recorded version. Yesterday, I have seen around 2,000 people gone through those recordings. So that is the large number now. It is increasing, and that is the resources which is being provided by the coordinator and the institution, those who are conducting those FDP. I'm highly thankful to those institutions, in fact. So this is the journey of AICT Training and Learning Academy. We started in 1819, exactly in February 1819, you can say last year only. February 19, we started 5 FDP, targeted 1,000 participants in February 19. And then after March, April, the new financial year came up, that is 1920. We planned around 200 FDP, but we could conduct only 185 because of the pandemic. In the March, we could not conduct around 15 FDP. And in 2021, as I told, we already planned 562 and already conducted 278. Whatever we are planning, sir, we are able to conduct we are able to meet the target. And that is because of the very learned, very dedicated coordinator and the institution like IIIT Raipur and the director like Honorable Dr. Pradeep Sinha. We are able to meet the target. Our participants, even in online, they are very happy. We had some issues. We were thinking that online FDP may not be very qualitative. But after conduction of few FDPs, we felt that even a lot of resources across the globe we can bring in. And therefore, the quality gone up actually. We increased the quality, we increased the quantity, and same time, the number of participants are also more. In face-to-face program, we had allowed maximum 50 participants. Now here we have allowed more than 200, not more than, maximum 200 participants. Sometime 100, sometimes 150 people are joining, depending on the feasibility of the coordinator and the institution and software, as well as the responses. Response is very good. As of now, almost 92,000 faculty have already registered in our portal. So we targeted 1 lakh, start off only 8,000, and in just a couple of days, maybe 4-5 days, the entire 1 lakh registration will be completing for these FDP. So We also conducted in 8 programs on blended learning and flipped classroom. So those who are teaching, those are faculty, at least they should know what are the newer technology in delivering the content, that is LMS and other things. So we conducted 8 programs. We allowed 500 maximum participants for these 8 programs. And there was a huge response. We already conducted 3,700 participants already benefited across the country for this. You will be happy to know that CBSE approached AICT Training and Learning Academy. They requested that they have introduced AI in 11th, 12th, and even middle school also. They wanted that their faculty, their teachers should also be trained. So we have roped in now. We have allowed the CBSE teachers are going to conduct FDPs for them. Initially, we are going to train 5,000 CBSE teachers on AI and robotics. And thereafter, if required, because CBSE is telling at least 2 teachers across the country per school should be trained. They are telling that 40,000 teachers to be trained. We have taken that mission also. If we train the CBSE teachers, they will in turn train to their students, and those students will be entering in higher education, like the very renowned institution like IIIT Raipur. They will have a better vision, they will have a better skill, and will have a better stuff, in fact. And that's why the school teachers are also being trained through AICT Training and Learning Academy. Many more initiatives are there. AICT is now known for many quality initiatives. I'll not take up that much. I've already taken a lot of time over here. With this note, sir, highly thankful to you. My gratitude to you. We are obliged, and we'll have a better collaboration. I request, rather, I urge that let's collaborate for development of technology, for development of Chhattisgarh, and for the development of technical education, technical knowledge, and to develop the talent pool in the country with IIIT, institution like IIIT Raipur, having lot of potential, especially with your presence, with your direction, with your expertise. I know that we can do anything. As it was that only it's 2 years when IoT we started talking. Of course, we started talking before 10 years, but actively, you can say last 2 years only. But there are many more technologies are coming. As we know that now Neuralink have come up. People are trying to develop the downloadable memory. In fact, in future, we may able to read the brain. We may able to download the entire content in our brain. This kind of technologies are coming. We are still missing that AI bus, which is very important. And in fact, robotics also is going side by side. So let us join hand with sir. I will come out with a proposal with you. I'll have a personal discussion with you. So in what way we can collaborate and contribute to the society today, to the India. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, coordinator, for inviting me. And I congratulate all the participants, those who are selected and approved for this, because there is a huge response. All are not being approved. Only few are being approved, depending on the feasibility and depending on their background. So I congratulate to all the participants. After completion of 5 days program, you will be getting a digital certificate. As soon as you complete all the requirements, we'll be issuing the digital certificate that will remain credential for you. And as you are going to do this FDP from IIIT Raipur, I know it is going to be highly valuable to you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, and congratulations to you all. Thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for sharing the profound knowledge with us. And we look forward to seeing you again for the upcoming events in Dr. SPM IIIT NR and long-term association with AICT. Now I request our VCN Director, Dr. P.K. Sinha, sir, to felicitate our chief guest with a memento as a token of love in the virtual mode, sir. Sir, please.
So I'm really sorry for this virtual mode. Okay, memento. It will be sent across by post to you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. In fact, it's an honor for me. And whenever I come, not for this memento, but it is a memorable for me. It's a memory for me to be associated with you, sir. I'll come and take with your hand in IIIT Raipur, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So we'll keep it and till you come.
Yeah,
Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
So, Now I request Dr. Punya Paltani, Dean R&D and Faculty in Physics Discipline, to propose the vote of thanks, sir. Sir, please.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone, sir. And Honorable Vice Chancellor and Director, Triple IT, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sinha, respected Director, AICT Training Learning Academy, Seattle, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Dean Academics, Dr. Rajarshi Mahapatra, Workshop Coordinators, Shri Vishal Tripathi, and Dr. Manoj Majumdar, Dr. Anurag Singh, and our most valuable participants, dear colleagues, and my students. Okay, it's my privilege to propose. Am I audible, sir? Is it?
Yes, sir, you are audible perfectly.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, it's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion, and that means starting with my vote of thanks. So first, I would like to pay my gratitude towards the Almighty God, and I, on behalf of Triple IT and our fraternity and the Atal Workshop organizing team, and on my own, extend my heartily vote of thanks to chief guest Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni for gracing us with their presence, sparing time with us from his busy schedule, and sharing with us your today's event. It's not connected. Okay. Ah, sorry for. Okay, and sharing with us your views today. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our director, sir, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sinha, for his encouragement, constant support, motivation, and guidance. Well, as an event like this cannot be happens overnight, the wheel starts rolling month ago. It requires planning and a bird eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. We know how to, that means our colleagues know how to finish any job with utter professionality, and I am very grateful to our Dean Academics, the coordinator, Dr. Vishal Tripathi, Dr. Manoj Majumdar, Dr. Anurag Singh, who coordinated this event, and our IT team, Mr. Abhi Bhattacharya and his team, PhD scholars, and the technical staff who give their cooperation and support, special support for organizing this event. My special thanks for the resource persons, Dr. Sandeep Yadav, Dr. Sudhakar Pandey, Dr. O.P. Yadav, and Dr. Akhilesh Mohan, Dr. Somak Bhattacharya, and Nitin Srivastav ji, who is taking the session for the yoga and meditation. I would like to thank participants who registered for the workshop. And last but not the least, I would like to extend my thanks to the Training and Learning Academy for their financial support and cooperation. Because of this event is possible. My best wishes to all the participants and have happy learning. Thank you.
So with this, now we come to the end of inaugural session of AICT Training and Learning Academy, online FTP on System Engineering, Recent Trends and Advances in IoT, organized by Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee, International Institute of Information Technology, Naya Raipur here. So ladies and gentlemen, we will be having a 5 minutes break, followed by the first technical session on Introduction to Sensor by Dr. Manoj Kumar Majumdar. Okay. With this, we'll take a 5 minutes break. Thank you very much, sir, for all of you present here for taking the valuable
Thank you so
time.
much,
Thank you once
sir.
again.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, and thanks for accepting our request to be the chief guest.
Okay.
I am obliged to you, sir. I am obliged to you. You are the chief guest. We are here just to witness that inaugural session, sir. Thank you so much.
That's your
Thank you.
humbleness.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.